Hi there, Barb. This is the first video. This is the getting started video. Basically, you've logged into the website, so I don't need to show you that. Now you're in the dashboard. So the dashboard will show there should be several videos here. I'm just actually currently making, so I can't show you those on the page, on the website itself. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to just quickly explain what these menu items are first, and then we'll go through and I'll do several videos of how to change edit pages and how to understand theme options. Okay, the first thing about the dashboard. So I'm going to discuss the dashboard. Basically, you've logged into the back, and this is the dashboard. It's the back end of the website. If you clicked on this, which is the Cherry Tree Lodge B&B, it'll take you to the front end of the website, which is what people see when they visit Cherry Tree Lodge B&B. I'm going to go back now. Okay, let me explain the media. The media menu item is, if I click on it, will take you to all the library of the media that we've uploaded to make this website currently. These images here are the slideshow images. If you need new slideshow images, you want them changed, you're best to come to me. I've actually set these up so they're particular size, width and depth, and they've actually got a small feathering so that softens the page a little bit. So I'm not going to charge you for making those alterations, but if you come back to me, I'll fix those for you. You can actually add a new media item by clicking on Add New and selecting. It'll take you, click on there, but it's going to take me to it's down my downloads page, which is huge, but we're going to cancel that. So you can navigate to the image on your website. It says maximum file size 64 megabyte. Try and keep it under 2 megabyte. If you add images that are too big, it will take forever for the web page to load up. I've seen that many times where someone's put an image that's just massive and it takes forever. So keep it simple is the best way to do it. If you're having trouble understanding what to do, I'll just show you one of these images. The size is only very, very small, 92 kilobyte. You know, it doesn't have to be much. 72 DPI images are all that's required. They have to be RGB images. But if I'm not understanding that, I'm happy to talk to you about that. Okay, pages. So under pages, you can add new, or you can have a look at the list of pages that are currently on the website. The pages currently on the website are your contact page, your front page, which is Laura SA Accommodation. I'm not sure why it's been called that, but anyway, it's called home page on the front. And this one is the services page, which is all the information about the accommodation, some really nice photos. So that's basically everything that a person needs to know about your accommodation. Okay, the contact page. Contact. This information here is probably something you won't want to touch. This is the contact form which appears on your contact page. So it's about your accommodation bookings and inquiries. This is set up in HTML code, so it's a little bit difficult to understand. Basically, that's the form that is on the website page. This is the mail message that comes to you from that form. So all that information, the person's name and email and all their details come through to you. You can set up a second email as well. I would leave this probably as it is. It's a little bit confusing. It's probably a little bit out of the realms. You can add a new contact form altogether if you needed to, but it's probably just as easy to change the current one. The current one has a capture script and all that, which stops people from sending you spam, we hope, anyway. Okay, appearance. This comes out with a drop-down menu. Themes. I'm going to quickly display that. Themes. This is the theme used to build your website. It's very good because it's multilingual. That's what I say. It's mobile responsive. There's a lot to this website. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes with this theme, and it is fantastic for what you need. You don't need to customize the website. That is already done. Customizing is just calling the website what it is, which is Cherry Tree Lodge B&B. It has the tagline, Laura SA Bed and Breakfast. And it just says where the navigation menu is, which is what you see at the front, which is those 3 menu items, which we'll show again in a minute. Widgets. I'll click on this because the widgets are they're little things that they're little plugins that appear on sidebars or footers. So at the moment, there's 2 pages on your website that have this default sidebar with the contact information. So if you need to change their contact information, you need to go to Appearance Widgets and then change that information there. You must always click on Save before finishing. Now the location, it looks got gobbledygook. It's the frame for the Google map. I have set it up so that it pinpoints directly to your business. Okay. Menus. Basically, the menu items are what appear on the front page. Top of the page, they also appear at the bottom menu on the bottom bar. You'll find on your pages. Those you don't have to have those. All you have to do is unclick. If you make any changes to the menu, you need to save it. You can actually add. I'll just show you. You can actually add by doing this. So if you've managed to create a new page and you want that added to the website, you need to come into the menus to make sure that it appears in the menu bar by doing this and then saving. Or if you want something to be a drop-down menu, all you need to do is push it to the side a little bit. That makes it a sub-menu, says sub-item, and yeah, that makes it relatively easy anyway. Tools is there's nothing. We'll just leave the page, sorry, because we don't want to make those changes. We don't need to add anything to the menu. Tools you don't need to touch. Theme options. Theme options is going to take me straight to the branding. I will discuss with you in a minute along with this bit here. Okay, that's another video. Profile is your information that appears. You can actually edit your profile, but you don't need to unless you want to change your password or anything like that, which you can actually do, I think. Just check. I'm pretty sure you can. You can create a new password. Basically, WordPress likes to generate passwords. So the one you've got that I'm sending you is a little bit long, but that's because it's set to avoid security issues. Your website has a massive amount of security options I have placed on there, but I do not offer those for you to see. They are for me to be able to determine what's been happening. It's hard to understand when people are hacking your website, so best left to me to do. Okay, that's it for understanding the dashboard menu.